Bismillah wa salatu wassalamu ala Rasulil Kareem. I would like to welcome all the faculty members at Northern Border University for the first session of how to use Blackboard. The title for this training tutorial is How to Log into My Blackboard Account. To log into your Blackboard account, you first need to know what is the website for using Blackboard at Northern Border University. I will show you the website address here. This website address is lms.nbu.edu.sa lms.edu.sa. And then when you see the login page of the screen, you have to enter your username and password. Since this training is to be meant for the purpose of English speakers working in Northern Border University, so you need to know that first you need to change the interface on your login page. How to change the interface on login page? On the top left side of the screen, you will have a globe icon. If you take your cursor to the globe icon, you will have three choices. One is English, one is Arabic, and one is French. So whatever language suits you, you can choose that language. However, in this training, we are dealing with English language training, so we will select English as your interface language. Once you select English, you could observe here that your interface has been changed from right to left and has been made available to you as from left to right. So the first thing is you need to know what is your username on Blackboard account. Your username will be your Iqama ID without the first digit of your Iqama. For example, if your Iqama ID is 2356224728, this is your complete Iqama ID. You need to remove the first digit of your Iqama ID. So I will remove the first digit of my Iqama ID. Then, if you are the first time user who are trying to use Blackboard system and you don't know what is your password, then remember, for the first time user as well as for the first time login, this will be your default username and the same will be your password. The default password will be your username itself. I'll just copy the username and have pasted the same username on my password box. Unless and until you change the password on your Blackboard account, your password remains the same as your username. I repeat, your username is your Iqama ID without the first digit, and the password will also be similar to your username unless and until you have changed it. For suppose if you have changed your user ID, if you have changed your password and you try to log in and you get an error message like what you will see here now, this will be your error message. If you have an error message, in this situation you need to click on the link below the password text box which says forgot your password. I click here, a new window pops up where I will see that I am a faculty or I am a student. Since I am a faculty, so I will select this checkbox called I am a faculty. So a new page opens up which says you need to fill this application form. It's not an application form, it's a form which needs your details so that we can cross verify your information with the system information and then send you your password on your provided email address. So this is how you will request for a password. In case of emergency, you can directly contact us on our provided extensions. Our extensions will be displayed to you once you submit this application form. Once you fill this form and press on submit button, which is here, when you fill the entire form and press on submit button, then the form will give you an acknowledgement that your request has been received. In case of emergency, you can call the below extension numbers. So this is how you will log in, and this is how you will request for a password reset if you have forgotten the password. Now let me log in as a user to this system. I have logged into my Blackboard account. The first thing I have to do is inside my Blackboard account, I have to go to my courses. I'll click on course tab. then I will be able to see all the courses which I am taking in this university in the current semester. So this is how you log into the Blackboard system. I hope you understand everything, and if you still have confusion, you can try repeating the session and watching it again and again to remove all your confusions and have more clarification. So we request you to, when you watch any video tutorial on the same at the same time, you can practice on a different screen by logging to your Blackboard account. And then this is the end of the session for how to log into your Blackboard system. We would like to thank you for watching this tutorial. You have a great day ahead. Assalamu alaikum.